Hello guys, been a while here since I uploaded a new review slash unboxing video in this channel. Now I have a tripod, so at least I can make my review videos a bit better. Today I'm gonna review this Redmi Airdots. Not the Xiaomi one, the Redmi one. The cheaper one. This one is the much cheaper product than the Xiaomi one. I got this from my friend. I believe he shipped this from China. And I bought it for 270,000 rupiah, or it's about $20. Okay, let's start with the review. First thing first is the packaging. All of this is in Chinese, which is bad since I cannot speak any Chinese and I cannot read Chinese. But there are some symbols that I can understand. Like this means they use the Bluetooth 5.0. They use the case as the charging dock. And then this one, the Airdots is 40 milliamp hours of. They have 40 milliamp hours of battery. The case is 300 milliamp hour of battery. So, yeah, that's all. Now we can see inside. They don't give much with this product. All you have is this, the case with the Airdots inside, and then some ear tips modification to fit your ears. Yeah, there are 4 of this with bigger and smaller. And then, oh yeah, I've opened this before. The manuals here, which all is in Chinese, so this is useless there. Okay, they don't give us any charger with the product. No charger, no cables, which maybe sucks for some people, but for me, since they still use the micro USB for their charging, for their way of charging, it's still okay. I have a lot of micro USB cables lying around in my house, so I'm good. But maybe for some people, that's a bummer. Okay, going on to the products. You can use the Airdots individually, so you can just use one of this, which is nice. They use Bluetooth 5.0, which is also nice. They give almost no lag, and it can work like, I believe it was like 10 meters between my phone and this product, and it still works. And it got 4 hours of battery life before it needs to be charged. The case itself can charge this Airdots for 7 full charge. Individual Airdots, if you use 2 of this, maybe it's half, maybe 3 times. 3 full for these 2 Airdots to be fully charged. Okay, the sound quality of this is good for the price. The bass is punchy, and the treble is clear enough compared to the TWS i7S, the ones that I've used before. I don't think I have a review on that product before on this channel, but maybe I'll do it in the future. Okay, to turn on the Airdots, all you need to do is long press the Airdots like this, and this is on. I believe they have an automatic turn off if they are charged. Yep, if they are charged, they are automatically off. And single tap to pause or play the music you're playing, and then guess for the double tap what they use for the double tap. No, it's not skip any song, it's just it opens the Google Assistant. That is one of the rant I will have in this video. One problem that these Redmi Airdots have, they use the double tap as for the Google Assistant, and I don't really use Google Assistant that much, so that's a problem. I need to skip, if I want to skip any songs, I cannot do it. I need to open my phone, I need to skip my song from my phone, not by double tapping this. And until now, I don't know how to skip a song in this product. I read it online and they said you cannot do it, so that's a bummer. And speaking of the some things that I don't really like with this product, is the build quality for this product. They use all of this is hard plastic, and that is concerning, since if you drop any of this, it may crack here. This is all hard plastic compared to the Xiaomi Airdots, which they use rubber for their products, which in turn give them more durability. This is just like, yeah, maybe this because of this is a cheaper product, they need to have some compromises, and this is one of the big compromises that I can see. Okay, so in conclusion, the Redmi Airdots is a good product. It has a decent price, a decent sound quality, a good battery life, and not maybe just some minor problems, like the double tap to wake the Google Assistant, it's bad. The hard plastic is questionable. I'll give it a solid 7.5 for this product. 7.5 is good enough. And okay, that's all for the review. Like if you like, dislike if you disliked, subscribe if you haven't, and comment down there if you have something to ask me. And thanks for watching, and see you on another video.